So I've been filming the studio vlog for quite some time already, I think for 2 weeks. Today I want to design a new stamp as a return address because I have a new PO box and I don't have any return stamp. And then also I might start taking pictures of some sketches for my Patreon sketch tier. Because I've been sketching quite a lot in these past few weeks, but never shared anything. So that's what I will do today. Oh, and I don't think I showed you yet. I got my cartilage piercing the other day, and I had one on this side already a few years ago, but I had to take it out because it never really healed. So now this one is already healing much better, and it's only been like 2 weeks or something, so that's good. And it didn't really hurt getting it. He is currently shedding so much. You can actually see the loose little bits of fur. It's insane. Like, he's always shedding a lot, but now it is even more. I guess it's because it started to get a little cooler, but now it's like going back to warmer weather, so I think his fur is just so confused. Are you so confused? He really enjoys when I brush him. That's insane. I'm not doing too much. I'm just like, that's yours. There's so much fur that comes out every day. You poor little boy. Are you a little tired? Are you a little tired? So this is the first stamp design that I'm gonna send off. That's the sketch, that's the finished one. I'm not really sure, so it's gonna be 5 centimeters. I'm not really sure if it has too much detail. I don't know, but then again, this one has a lot of detail as well, and it looks perfect. This says Happy Mail, Sara Faber, and you can't even read the small letters, so I think it's gonna be fine. I think it's gonna be cool, so yay. Good morning, it is Friday. I'm going to get my coffee and then show you something that arrived. I'm excited about that. Okay, so I just received the September Patreon Happy Mail mini print. Wait, let me go somewhere where we have light. Those are the September Happy Mail prints, and I think they turned out really cute. Yes, so cute. And this is the back. So let me show you the print for August. All right, so this is August Happy Mail print. So if you sign up in August for my Happy Mail, there's still slots available if you want to. You will get this mini print, and then this and this. And I think it looks really, really cute together. and I need to prepare some envelopes for the Happy Mail, which I will send out at the end of the month. So this is what I will do. And then also the stickers arrived. I'm going to show them to you in a second. Before that, I want to show you where you guys are sitting on. Look. Dom helped me build this shelf yesterday, and I wasn't sure if I should put it in the room or not. I bought it at IKEA when I also got the table and this shelf over there, but I thought there's not enough room in this room for the shelf. Now I think it looks pretty cute. I need some more storage, and I think it looks really good. And now I'm like, why didn't I build this earlier? It's actually really cute. So yeah, I'm planning to put all my boxes there of new products, because I'm still working on new products for my shop. I don't have much yet, as you can see, but I know it's gonna fill up pretty fast. And this one is already, I only have a little bit of space there. And then I have this, but the boxes don't fit, obviously, so that's perfect. We also had a little drawing session on the weekend. I think this pig is pretty cute, and the flower too.
There's nothing wrong with that. Trippy, yeah, we all lose track. I wouldn't mind it if I find it. There's nothing wrong with that. Don't have to be an acrobat. I wouldn't mind it. Should I find it? All my life it's been up and down, but always comes back to you. Didn't ask for any favors. It seems too late. Love is strong, but some things you don't want to pass on. Didn't ask for any favors. You don't know me the way that I know you. Tell me what you like. Please tell me what you like. There's nothing wrong with that. Trippy, yeah, we all lose track. I wouldn't mind it if I find it. There's nothing wrong with that. Don't have to be an acrobat. I wouldn't mind it. Should I find it? Oh Father, please come to my rescue.
I'm not sure if I showed you the stickers when I was unpacking them earlier today. So this is, wait, those are two. This is the first one. It's a little orange saying it's okay. And then here's the next one. It is a little treasure hunt map. And this one is actually clear. Let me see if I can peel the backing paper off. Yep. So the last one is a clear one. I think it's the first clear one that I ever made, or at least in a very long time. I can't even remember, but those are the 3 stickers that came. Not so sure about this one, to be honest. Don't know if I like it. I think maybe it has too many details in too little space. And that was the studio vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for the very positive feedback on my last video, the first vlog after a while. I was very nervous, to be honest, to come back, but you all welcomed me kindly and so sweet and understanding and supportive, and that means a lot to me. So thank you so much. Also, thank you so much to my patrons. You guys are the best. Yeah, guess that's it. Have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye guys.